Hey everyone, it's Nettie Morris, and I am the mom who was laid off turned digital entrepreneur. And so I'm coming with to you today to talk about $25 one up. And the aspect that I want to cover today is all about that one up. Okay? What does the one up in $25 one up mean? What does that mean for the compensation plan? How does that impact your paydays? So I'm going to jump right into it, folks. I'm going to jump right into it. Now, as you can see, I have off to your left here the two ways that we get paid. There is instant pay, and then there is residual income. And from here, you can see that I got instant pay in a smaller box than residual income. And I did that deliberately. And I'm going to show you why. Because instant pay just keeps on, residual income just keeps on coming. Residual income, for those of you guys who don't know, is when you do something one time and you get paid over and over and over again. So this is how it works with $25 one up. We're going to do a little illustration here. All right. So I'm going to draw a couple of prongs here or lines for you guys to see. So that's one line, two lines, three, four, and let's do five. All right. So these are going to represent five people. Five people that you have brought into the business directly. Okay. So for each of these five, so here is number one. All right. Here's number two. Okay. Here's number three. And we're going to go on 4 and 5. Right. So let's really get down to the nitty gritty here. You bring in one person, right? So this is the way the comp plan works, folks. The first person, they get to keep their first sale. This represents their first sale. Their second sale is going to pass up to you. This is their second sale. Powerful. Same deal. Second person you bring into the business. This is going to represent their first sale. Their second sale is going to pass up to you. The second sales pass up to the sponsor, okay? It's the third person you brought in. They get to keep their first sale. Their second sale is going to, guess what? Pass up to you. All right? Fourth person. Again, they get to keep their first sale. And the second sale is going to pass right up to you. Fifth person. Here it goes again, guys. They get to keep that first sale. And then their second sale is going to pass right up to you. Okay, I'm going to come back to that. Now, their third sale through infinity, all right, this is the sign for infinity, goes to them. So that goes to them. So you only, and I'm saying only loosely, get that second sale. Now, here's the power. You only recruited number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, those only people you went out and touched somehow, whether it was through social media, the classifieds, wherever. You didn't know these people. You didn't touch these people. You didn't pay for advertising. You didn't advertise to them. Nothing. That's the beauty, folks, of residual income. You did something one time, you touched this one person, 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 and then they went out and touched somebody's. Okay, then they touched some people. 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 Now, let's examine this a little further. So, if you're 5 people, let's just say that second sale for them was at the platinum level. Okay? And you're at the platinum level or above. 5 times 125 equals, let's see how much that equals, folks. That's 500 for, that's 500, 625 bucks. At 625 bucks, you would have made, okay? And you didn't even do anything for this second level here. And this is how it's going to continue to work, folks. No matter how many people you bring in. You bring in 100, folks, the same thing applies. The same things apply. They get to keep that first person. Then they pass up their second person. Then they get to keep all their other sales. All right? Same thing works for you. You get one person and you pass up the second person to your sponsor. All right? So this is very powerful. Now these people, let's talk about these people. All right? These people got to do the same thing. They get to keep one and then they pass one up to you. They get to keep one and then they pass one up to you. They get to keep one and then they pass one up to you. Keep one and then they pass one up to you. Keep one and then they pass one up to you. It's just a never-ending flow of money. Money. Let's money. Okay? Money. This is how you make money moves. So, if you're interested in changing your economy, you want instant pay, okay? You want instant payments, because that's what you're going to get first. You're going to get instant payments. Well, all the time you're going to get instant payments. And then you get the ability to get that residual money too. If this interests you, I'm telling you, this is hot. There's nothing else out here like it. $25 one-up is the shiznit. Come on, get with this. I'm going to drop the link in the comment section so that you can get started. Making this residual forever money. Yes. Okay? So why not you? Why not now? I'd love to help you. I'm going to drop it like it's hot in the comment section. But as you can see from what I illustrated here, all right, it's a never-ending flow of money. Never-ending flow of money. Just let the people know. So this is, we going to copy, we going to paste, and we going to get paid. Copy, paste. I can't type fast enough in this thing here. Copy, paste, and we're going to get paid. All right? So go into the comment section. Let me know how you like this video. Let me know that you're getting ready. You're going to get started. You can get in for as little as 35 bucks. $25 is the first level, and it's $10 for the admin fee. No other fees. But I suggest you come in at platinum at least. Platinum. Why? Because that's the illustration I just outlined, and you can see how that could add up real quickly. 125, 125, 125. Okay? I like to see you with 125, and I like to see me with it. Let's do it. Rock it out. Talk to you later. Bye bye.